In today's video, I'll be showing you how to resolve this cutting wall error. One of my students sent me this video in our Revit tutorial masterclass WhatsApp group. Let me play the video first so that you will see the error he is facing.
Somebody to help me. I want to create cutting wall. And I clicked on architecture. This is architecture. Then I now click wall. Then wall architecture. Then I now go to property palette, which is this. I now click it. But if I scroll down, I'm not seeing cutting wall grid. What I'm seeing is this one. This one they wrote CW. And if you click it, it's a kind of it's a different kind of wall. It doesn't show the other type of cutting wall. I don't know why I'm not seeing it, please. Help me if there is anything I click for setting, just help me to identify it. I'm begging, please.
Okay, let me show you how to resolve this. First, let me go to my Revit first, and preferably you have to be on floor plan better. So I will show you how you can get cutting wall now. Then if you follow this step and there is no cutting wall in your Revit, after that I will show you how you can resolve it. So to get cutting wall, you have to be on architecture tab. I am already on architecture tab. Select wall architecture. Then on the property palette, I don't know the position of your own property palette, whether it's here or here, anywhere it is. This is my own property palette. Click on this drop down here. You click this drop down, then the types of wall you have will display. Scroll down to the last part of it. Just scroll down towards the last part of it. You see the cutting wall we have here. So if none of these are in your own Revit, it means that the template you are using doesn't have it, doesn't have those cutting wall family. So what you will do is you are going to go to the bonuses I sent to you guys. Let me open that link to that bonuses. This is the link to that bonuses. If you scroll down, you will see Revit, download Revit generic template. Click on this. If you click on this, it will take you to something like this. Then you will now click on download anyway. So I'm downloading it now. If you check here, you see that it is already downloading. Let's wait for it to download. It's about 98 MB. So when it's done downloading, I'll come back. It's done downloading. Let's see. So I'm going to click on this to go to the folder. This is it here. What I'll do now is I will extract it. I'll right click on it. You will see extracts to templates. If you have WinRAR installed on your system, you should be able to have this. If you don't have, it doesn't show what is showing now, it probably means that you don't have WinRAR installed on your system. Okay, so I'm going to extract it now. And that is it. It has been extracted. I can rename it. I want to rename it so that you will see it by the time I load it into the Revit folder. So I will name it as template 08 13. That is August 13. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is it here. I've already named it. If you open this folder now, you see what is there is templates and all those stuff. So okay, I can even let me name this one instead so that the part will not be too long. So I name it as 0813. Okay, so this is it here. Let me copy this. I've copied to clipboard. So I'm going to go to my Revit. This is my Revit now. I will go to the Revit folder. To go to Revit folder is easy. Anything that will take me to Revit folder. If I select this window now and I click edit, let's assume I click edit, then I click on load. This loading will take me to the Revit folder. There are other ways you can go to Revit folder, but this is just one of the ways. Just try and load Revit family, any Revit family, door, window, whatever. Now I am inside the Revit folder now. If you click on this drop down, you will see whatever version of Revit you are using. I am using Revit 2023. It doesn't matter. Any version you are using at all will be fine. You see, I already have a Revit template here. The template I have is this one. So I am going to paste that one that I named earlier. So I have pasted it now. You see, you remember the name I gave it that time. Okay, so this is the template I pasted now. Let me exit from this, from all this. So if I like, I can close this. Let me close this project entirely. Okay, so I have my Revit open now and no project is open now, correct? So at this point, assuming I want to start a new project, what I'll do is I'll go to new, then I will select, instead of selecting this template, let me click on browse. Then I will go to the drop down. I'll go to the version of Revit I'm using. Then you see that folder I just pasted. This is it here. Open it. And when you open it, you'll see metric. Let's open this metric. Then you see this default metric. Open it. Then click OK. You see, the version of that template is 2015. It will upgrade it to that version you are using currently. So as long as the version of Revit you are using is from 2015 and above, you will be able to use this template. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, now it has loaded. Let's assume I pick a wall now. Let me draw this wall first. This is the regular architectural wall. The regular brick wall. Okay, so for me to go and pick curtain wall now, I'll go to architecture again and I'll pick wall, click on this place, then I will scroll down. You see there is curtain wall in this template. Okay, so you can see there is curtain wall here. So if there is no curtain wall in your own template, it means that the template you are using is not correct. Something is wrong with that template. So you need to download this template and always start your project from this template so that you not have issue with curtain wall. Okay, so you are sure now that we have curtain wall in this template. So that is how you can resolve that error if there is no curtain wall in your template. If you follow this video carefully, you will see that your error will be fixed. If you have not yet enrolled in Revit Tutorial Masterclass, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Tap on it, it will take you to where you can enroll in Revit Tutorial Masterclass. And it is when you have enrolled that you will have access to the bonuses. If you have not enrolled, you won't have access to the bonuses where you can download this default template that I give to my paid students. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.